we'll just pick a software instrument. I'll just get rid of this keyboard. Alright, first thing we'll need to do is change the tempo to 140 beats. So we double click on the tempo, which is just there, type 140, and then enter. I'll turn the metronome off, and then we'll go to our loops. If we type in clocks, it will bring up all the clocks loops here. So for an example, we might just use the acoustic guitar ones because they're up the top. So the clocks intro riff, we click and drag it into here. We might want to do that several times, so we can put it there, and you can mess around with the structure of the song and the texture by using different instruments. Another way you can get those parts to repeat is to copy and paste them. So I highlight the part I want, for instance this one, make sure the track is highlighted, I only want one of them, press copy, so we can go to edit, copy, and then wherever this marker is will be where the paste will start from. And so that's just copied an extra one on there. There is a keyboard shortcut, so you can press Command C for copy and then Command V for paste, and just Command V, 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 and keep going and going. And then you get the intro riff. Okay, so I might try another version, might do the harmonics with it. So I'll put that underneath, and I'll just do a couple of versions of that. So copy, oh wait a minute, I'm going to the wrong one. Copy, and then paste, 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 paste. Then I'll just put in a few parts so you can sort of see. So maybe the chords next. For the verse, I'll do the same thing. I'll just do a few copies and paste. If you hit return, it'll take you back to the beginning of the piece. So let's have a listen to that. So press play. We might want to stagger the entry, so we could take out the intro riff, maybe start with just harmonics, then go into the riff, and then come into the chords last, and then it will sound like this. So over that we might want to put a bit of a melody. So we're on the verse there, so we'll use a guitar clocks melody, and then we get this sound. Mix the volume. If we hit up here, we've got mix. We can do things like fade out at the end, which is a handy little trick for your own little arrangements. And then once you've got your piece finished, so remember we're experimenting with the texture, so the way the instruments, how many instruments and how they fit together. There's also electric guitars and all sorts of things in clocks here you can add. And also the form, the structure, so you can mess around with the structure. There's a B section, there's a bridge, and the verse and the intro. So all things you can play with. And then, once you've got your piece finished, you can go into share, and we can share it straight away to SoundCloud by pressing SoundCloud. Put in the clock, and then there's all these things. So you can allow downloading, streaming, and then press share when you're ready. and it will upload to SoundCloud.